friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest. So first we're going to get started with our eye. And on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an oval and we're going to draw this on a diagonal. Let's leave a small gap now. We're going to come across on the right and we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Let's move in towards the middle, coming down closer towards the side. We're going to draw in another oval on a diagonal, and then we're just going to color this in black. We're going to do the same thing as we move over on the right hand side. Let's move in towards the middle now. For the mouth, we're going to curve this around and then down. In the center for the nose, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the right. And then let's connect this together on the bottom with a small arch line, closing that off. In the center, we're going to draw this straight line coming directly down. And now let's connect this together for the top of the mouth. So we're going to arch this around and then back in towards the top. And then we're going to do the same on the right, scooping that around, bringing that through. Let's draw in the mouth now. So we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal on both sides, ending that at roughly the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line. And again, just coloring this portion in black. Now on the left-hand side, again, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then again, just closing this off with a curved line from left to right. Now let's close this off. So starting from the center, we're going to curve this line around, over and down towards the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we flip over on the right, bringing this over and through towards the side. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line back in. Again, we're going to curve this line out and then back through. Let's start back on the side from that corner, curving this out, back in. And then again from here, from that corner, arching this over and in towards the mouth. Let's draw on the ears. So on both sides, we're going to scoop this line around and out. And then from that corner, we're going to arch this over and in towards the side. Now from here, let's draw in the ram horn. So we're going to start on the outside, curving this around and then in. We're going to flip over on the right hand side, replicating that, arching that over and then through towards the side. Let's step out from that corner. We're going to curve this all the way around. We're going to widen this as we come in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And we're just going to make sure that we leave a gap right in the middle. Now let's move out. For the shoulders, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Let's move down again from that corner, curving this over and through. Let's move down again, arching this out, back in. Now let's come down. We're going to draw on the torso, so we're going to curve this line in. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's add in some details across the chest. So in the center, we're going to curve this line out and up on both sides, leaving in a gap right in the center. And then we're just going to draw in the letter V right in the middle. Let's move over. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up and then down. And then from that point, bringing this back up and in towards the middle. Now let's close off our arms. So on the top from that corner, we're going to arch this line down. We're going to move underneath now from the inside, curving this over and then through. On the bottom, we're going to arch this line out towards the side. Let's close off the top of the arm. We're going to curve this line around and then down. Now let's draw on the thumb. So from that corner, we're going to curve this line out. From that point, let's bring this up, around and through for our first finger. From that point, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal towards the top. And then from here, we're going to close this off by arching this over and through towards the top. Now on the side, let's curve this line out, bringing this up and then back in. And then in the middle, we're going to curve this line down and then back through on a diagonal. Now from here in the center, let's draw in a curved line from left to right. On the side, we're going to curve this line out. Let's step around now, so from that corner, curving this out, back in. Let's move down again from that corner, arching this around, back up. And then again from the side, just curving this around and then back in. Let's move behind. We're going to curve this line out on both sides. From that point, bringing this down and over. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line across. From the side, curving this line down towards the middle. And then from that point, arching this over and through, connecting that together. Let's draw on the hoof now. So we're going to come down on a diagonal, bringing that out on both sides. Let's curve this line across towards the right and the left-hand side. And then from here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line over and through towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.